Hi there, and welcome to the Tool Shed with JCB Tools. So today we're going to look at this 21RH 1500. All you can see is a black box. What is a 21RH 1500? Well, it's a rotary hammer drill with a powerful 1500 watt motor. I'm going to open the box and show you what you get. So as you saw, it comes in a great storage case. I'll flip the two catches, open the box, and you can see exactly what's inside. Now I have removed some of the packaging. So with that said, I'll put the box to one side. We'll bring out all the bits and pieces. So first of all, we have the rotary hammer drill itself. Okay, whoop. As we mentioned, it's got a powerful 1500 watt motor. So very much like the demolition hammer, it comes with a flat bladed chisel and a pointy chisel. Again, using the standard SDS type fittings. We'll show you all that afterwards. As well as that in the box, it comes with 3 different sizes of SDS masonry bits. I'll tell you what sizes they are shortly. And of course, it comes with a dust boot as well. Further to this, it does come with a user manual. Now, we do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So we'll talk about a few of the features. The first one, probably the most important one, we got on-off, but we've got this knob here. Okay, so standard drill feature would be there, as it shows a picture of a drill. Here shows a picture of a hammer and a drill, and that would be for hammer drilling. Okay, the next position is a neutral. I'll explain why you need that shortly. And the furthest point would be to use as a demolition hammer, so it's hammer action only, so no rotation. So that's down in that position. You may have to rotate the chuck slightly on the end to get them to engage between gears. Okay, so that's what that handle does, or that knob does. It does come with a universal front handle, so it can go this side on for left-handers, this side on for right-handers. We simply rotate the hand grip to tighten it, or you can always have it in the conventional down position. So that's the front handle adjustment. So in the handle here, standard trigger. I'm sure you've seen them all before on all sorts of power tools, but the trigger is here within the handle. So let's talk about the handle as well. This unit does come with an anti-vibration handle, so it does give a bit of cushioning between the handle at the front, at the back here, and the vibrating end if you were using it as a hammer drill. So standard SDS fitting, as we said. So to fit the chisel, pull back on the sleeve, push the chisel in. You may have to rotate it, and that's the chisel in. So I pulled the sleeve back, got the right location or orientation, release the sleeve, and then make sure that it's firmly in. Okay, so that's now fitted. And again, that's the flat blade chisel. We also have a pointy chisel, exactly the same procedure. Didn't catch it. Make sure it goes fully in. There we go, it's gone fully in. Make sure it's located. So this would be the pointy chisel. To remove, simply pull back the sleeve, pull the chisel out. Whenever changing between bits, make sure that the area here is clean, so no dust, debris. Give it a good clean down, and make sure that it's lubricated before inserting it. Okay, so that's it. That's how to fit the various tools. And of course, the drill's exactly the same scenario. So as we showed earlier, it does come with 3 of the basic and most common drill bits, an 8mm, a 10mm, and a 12mm, with the carbide tips as you'd expect for an impact drill. Okay, so it does come with a dust cover. We can simply slip it over the tools, get the orientation right. Not quite. There we go. Make sure it's firmly fitted, and that will protect the chuck from flying debris, stop dust getting into the chuck, into the operational area, and protect you to a certain degree as well. But it's important that we keep the mechanism of the chuck clean, or the collet or the clamp or the SDS area very clean. So I'm in this position here at the moment. This would be for normal drills. So if I were drilling into some steel or drilling wood, anything like that, like you do with a standard drill, it would be in this position. So there's no hammer, it's purely rotation. If I come up into this position, just to clarify, That would be where, if I was using a masonry drill where I'd need the hammer and rotation, it would be here, the hammer and the drill symbol. So this third position here is neutral. So that allows me to turn the chisel. So for instance, if I were in hammer mode only, that chisel would be on a bit of a funny angle. I put it into neutral. I can turn it to the relative position I want. That might be upright, or it might be in a flat plane. And then I can simply clunk it over into hammer, and that locks it in position. So this fourth and final position would be for hammer use if you were using it as a demolition hammer with the chisel bit. So a quick health and safety tip. Whenever using one of these, or any power tool for that matter, with a power lead, always make sure before you use it that there's no damage, chips, breaks, cuts, or twists in your main power cable. And obviously look at the condition of the plug as well. So with all the checks done, we're ready to go. And of course, you won't hear the chisel action unless the chisel is down on a hard surface. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.